It's 8:11, 67 degrees. It is Friday. That's one thing they can't take away from us. Good morning to you, and I have to say welcome to my guest. Joining us this morning is Bill Dauster. He's Garnet Health Foundation's president and chief philanthropy officer. Wow, I said philanthropy correctly. Hi, Bill. Good morning. Welcome.
Good morning. It's my job to get everybody to pronounce that correctly.
And to perform it correctly, I guess.
That's true. Yes.
Well, the Garnet Health Foundation, can you start us off maybe by telling us, all right, Garnet Health, I think of the big hospital, but the Garnet Health Foundation, can you kind of introduce us to the foundation, please?
Sure. Well, the Garnet Health Foundation is the philanthropic arm of our health system, which includes, of course, our Middletown facility, and we have one in Harris, and all the way up in Callicoon, we have a facility there as well. And then we have, of course, locations throughout the area, outpatient centers and the like, and medical offices, quite a few of our Garnet Health doctors' offices and whatnot. So really the foundation is a separate corporation from the health system, and it has a separate board, and its sole mission is to promote the hospitals and the health system and to raise money and help us stay at state-of-the-art with all our technology and offer all the programs and services that the community really needs.
Okay. So one of those programs is coming up pretty soon, and that's what Wall Radio is actively participating in. The 32nd Annual Garnet Health Golf Classic will be on Monday, September 18th. This has gotten so big, you had to get 2 golf courses to hold it at.
Yeah, and the excitement's building. It's just 10 days away at this point. And really, while it's a wonderful event, it's really all about raising money for our long-needed emergency room expansion. So the foundation has taken on a $7 million commitment to raise that money to help with the expansion. And we're well over $4 million now, so we have some ways to go. But the golf tournament each year has really been a real great revenue source for the fund and also for promoting, the hospital as well. So we get all kinds of people from all walks of life, and we have a great selection of local players, and it's pretty competitive these days. And people just like our latest switch over the last 2 years down to the Tuxedo Club, and find it pretty interesting to be there.
Oh, yeah, I can imagine, but, on the 18th, I won't have to imagine. Now, I don't play golf, but Michelle Taylor does, and Michelle is going to play golf in the Golf Classic on the 18th, and she'll be joined, too, by one of our good friends at Wall Radio, Steve Jardine of Johnston's Toyota and Johnston's Subaru, and they're going to play through at the Mansion Ridge facility.
Yep, in Monroe. Great course. It's I've worked in quite a few markets, and really the Orange County market really shines when it comes to competitive women golfers. I mean, so many people on our boards and on our staff are really, really great golfers, and they golf in leagues during the week, and they come out for this event and sponsor and golf, and there's so many layers to this event. We have these really incredible raffle baskets and limited raffle tickets, and all of this can be found on our website. But it's really a beautiful day. Both courses play almost the same time. One starts about a half an hour later than the other, but then everybody comes back to Tuxedo for dinner under a tent in front of the lake. So it's really, really quite lovely.
It will be.
Just a great day.
Yeah, I will be there for the dinner part. I can't play golf, but I can eat.
Well, you're going to help MC the program.
Yeah, it's my understanding that I will. I get to stand up there and talk about everybody. That's so neat.
Yeah,
Yes.
it'll be fun.
I'm looking forward to participating in my way, and I know Michelle is really looking forward to playing golf. So if someone wants to come to the dinner, which is at the Tuxedo Club, can they still
Yep.
reserve
Yes.
a seat?
Yeah, for sure. You can call us at 845-333-2333 just to reserve a ticket, or you can just go on our website and purchase tickets.
Which we haven't given people yet. So let's tell them that the website is
Okay.
garnethealthclassic.org.
That's right, and all the elements of our fundraising are there. That you can buy raffle tickets and golf tickets and dinner tickets, all there. So, and if there's any problems, then you can always just give us a call at the foundation office, and we can walk folks through it.
That sounds like fun. So now, do you golf? Will you be golf? What will you be doing that day?
This is my greatest secret. I've been managing golf events for upwards of 35 years, and I am not a golfer.
Shh, I won't tell anybody. It's okay. I won't tell anybody.
Yeah, keep that between the two of us. But I'll be managing at the course at Tuxedo, just making sure everything goes smooth, and then at end of day, I'll be working with you through the program.
Good. You'll be telling me what to say. That's good. I need coaching. No, this is great.
I doubt that.
So I will get to give out the awards and say who won and everything at both courses, right? So like that's part of the festivities at the dinner.
Yes,
That's
everybody
so
comes
neat.
back to Tuxedo.
My
And we
fingerprints
give
will
out
be on
awards.
like every award. This is great.
Yeah, you'll get tired of taking pictures for sure.
Oh, that's okay. I could do that. So this is all September 18th, and people can get more information at garnethealthclassic.org. And we're going to talk more with you, Bill. We have to take a quick break. We'll be right back on Wall Radio.
Very
That's right. Mark Bolger, Joe Daly, both of them here on Saturday, both of them here on Sunday. We got the best at Wall Radio. It's 8:20, 67 degrees. With me on the phone, Bill Dauster is the Garnet Health Foundation president and chief philanthropy officer, and he's joining us to talk about, among other things, the Garnet Health Golf Classic on September 18th. So,
Good
Bill,
morning.
you'll be there directing things and managing things rather than playing golf that day.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm just not a golfer.
Well, you know what? It's a day for camaraderie and getting along with people and networking and just knowing that it's good work that you're doing. When you're having fun, you're still also supporting the hospital and all of the work that Garnet Health does in all of the different facilities. So it's a great thing. In two different courses.
That's absolutely right. I mean, this is a time when people come out and support what we think is one of the biggest community assets in the region. People want to move and live and work. There's a great healthcare facility, and
Sure.
Garnet Health provides that and really makes for a wholesome community life.
Oh, that's a nice way to put it.
Mm.
Thank you. Yeah. So now, do you have any other things that you wanted to talk about with us? We've got the Golf Classic at the Tuxedo Club and at the Golf Club at Mansion Ridge. That's the 18th of this month. That's a Monday. But what else did you bring along that you wanted people to know about?
Well, we don't have any more fundraising events for the year. A fundraiser's life in the fall is really about renewing donors and getting new donors through the fall and year end. So we'll focus a lot on that.
Okay.
But I would urge your listeners to pay attention to the growth of COVID in our region.
It is kind of coming back a little bit, isn't it?
Yeah, it's scary. We've seen a growth in the numbers in our ERs and inpatients. We know a lot of people in the healthcare industry that have also fallen to the latest strain, and I'm understanding that the next level of boosters will be out or may already be out. So I know as a healthcare worker, I'll be getting my vaccination soon because I just I have to be able to keep coming to work. So I can't come if I'm sick. It's just the way it is. So the other thing I would encourage people to look at is our general garnethealth.org website. for any kind of health events that might be going on. We have everything from nutritional classes to birthing classes to things that basically help people enhance their health. So take a look at that and make your own personal health choices, and just make sure that Garnet Health is in the middle of all that.
That sounds good to me. Thank you very much. Garnet Health took good care of a couple family members of mine that were hospitalized recently. So thank you for that and for just continuing to be such a major part of our communities.
Well, it's our honor to serve.
And now, thank you also for the opportunity to go out and buy a new dress to wear for the dinner at the Tuxedo Club after the Garnet Health Classic. You guys are the best. This is great.
Happy to help.
Thank you. So it'll be nice to meet you in person on that day. I'm looking forward to the whole thing. The Garnet Health Classic at two clubs, the Tuxedo Club and the Golf Club at Mansion Ridge. You can play dinner that night at the Tuxedo Club. Wall Radio will be there different times, different people, different places throughout the day, but we'd be looking for you too. Bill, thank you so much for coming on the air with us today.
Kate, thanks so much. Really appreciate your help.